Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chardonnay Shania. And if you're wondering, I have this t-shirt on my head just because I've just washed my hair. Please ignore how I'm looking. I need to blow dry my hair literally right now. So I'm going to blow dry my hair. I'm going to show you guys what I use. It's currently now 7:08 p.m. on a Wednesday evening. And I look like a scruff ball. So I need to blow dry my hair, do my skincare, blah, blah, blah. Basically night routine for today. Tomorrow, Alton Towers. I'm pretty sure I'm going back to Alton Towers because I'm so excited. I literally went last week and we're going again. Because like my cousins are here and everything. Like my cousins from a different country are here. So we're bringing them to Alton Towers. So guys, I'm facing my fears like again. Because last time I went on loads of big rides. And this is the second time I'm facing all my fears. So I'm really excited. So I'm going to be facing my fears for the second time. I don't think I'm going to be that scared. Because obviously I did it like last week. Guys, I use this blow dryer. It is so good, trust me. For black people's hair, this is amazing, by the way. Guys, this is the heat protectant spray I use. And then it's this coconut oil. So I'm going to be back once my hair is blow dried and everything. So guys, this is my hair after I blow dried it. It's kind of looking a bit flat right now. But the blow dryer is actually so good, guys. I'm not even joking. Guys, I'm not getting my hair braided or anything. So don't think I'm getting my hair braided. I just decided to wash my hair because obviously I've not washed it in a while. But guys, this blow dryer is so good. Look at the back. It's kind of, my head is kind of flat. So, but this is what the hair is looking like at the back. Like, inches? Where? I don't know what I'm talking because I ain't got no inches. Guys, look how short my hair is. I don't know what I'm talking. But I'm going to do my skincare. Not my skincare. Well, wash my face and everything. Why is Siri popping up? Okay. I'm going to wash my face and everything. Basically just get ready for bed and then you guys will see me tomorrow, I guess. So guys, I'm into Tokyo Ghoul. Please, someone please tell me someone's watched Tokyo Ghoul because right now I love it. Like I'm 4 episodes in and I'm loving it so much. But guys, don't spoil it for me, please. Please. I need to start watching it. Please don't spoil it. This hair. I don't know why I've got this like one really long piece right in the middle. I look like alfalfa.
10 toes down. Yeah.
Guys, recently I haven't really been using a lot of skincare. So I've only been using like minimum because I don't want my skin to break out. So I've literally been using this, and before anyone comes to me, yes, I know it's maybe you use it for your body, but this is so good on my skin, so that's what I'm setting it with. But yeah, I'm just gonna use this, and then after this, binge watch Tokyo Ghoul for the rest of my days because I'm starting to love Tokyo Ghoul so much. And I'm so angry because I was midway recording on my phone. And then it's run out of storage. I hate when that happens. And then my videos are always having to become patchy because I don't have the sufficient videos to make a video. Like, hello, Apple. Can you fix this, please? Because it's after literally maybe a week. You take like one picture and then your storage is gone. Like, no, I'm gonna say anything. I think that this is the end because I'm not really doing anything. I'm sure you guys don't want to watch me just binge watch Tokyo Ghoul, so I will see you all tomorrow. Hey guys, this is the next day. There's been a change of plans. We're not going to Alton Towers today because tomorrow is Good Friday and we need to get like food and everything. We're going to Alton Towers maybe on Easter Monday because it's warmer and I mean it's better to go on Easter than just a random Thursday. So yeah, guys, this is the fit. It's eating, y'all. My slick hair. My mom slicked my hair, guys. And my puff is looking so much better when my mom slicks my hair. But we're going to leave now. And I'm not sure. But yeah. Guys, I was actually kind of warm outside today. Right, I feel like it's too good to be true. Now I'm taking off my coat and putting it in the boot because it's so warm outside. Like I'm literally, arms out.
For my money, there was nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling.
So guys, I'm back home and this is the end of this day. So I'll see you guys.
Yes.
So we're going to bed.
We're going to bed. So I'll see you tomorrow. So guys, we're gonna go to bed. That's the end of our day today. So yeah, bye. See you tomorrow.
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes.